Hi guys, and welcome to the challenge. Before you go through this lecture, I hope you went to After Effects and tried to do the challenge from the previous lecture. And I hope you tried your best. Now to follow along with me here, you can open the file motion tracking bulbs-challenge.aep. So let's start here. We have 3 bulbs and they are just oscillating left and right, and it's pretty cool by the way for tracking. Let's start establishing the track points. Okay, I'll come to the beginning, select the layer, and within the tracker here I can select dancing bulbs, and immediately it jumps to the layer panel and you are ready to add a track. Then you select the layer over here and you click on track motion to add a track. Let's start by tracking the first one in the middle here and adding the effect. I will select the track point, here you are, and move it just over here. I will zoom in using the mouse scroll and resize the search region. That will be cool. If you take it up, I think it's okay. And also the region of interest. In fact, I need more. So I will do like this, I'm pushing it. So I think this will be good. Let's zoom in. So we start analyzing. Now notice we already have a problem here. Well, I want to continue. I don't like it. In fact, I will undo and go back here to settle the track point. Let's make it bigger from here and from here, and make this one a bit smaller, and zoom out and just start analyzing. Again, let's see if it's gonna do well. It seems it's okay. Okay, it has completed the tracking and it seems it's pretty cool. It has done a good job, by the way. Let's go for the effect now. We have CC Light. I already searched for it. You have CC Light Rays, and you will click and drag and drop it on the layer itself. So let's first attach the CC Light Ray. I will come back to the tracker panel and we'll choose the current track, that will be tracker 1, and we edit the target. As you know, it's effect point control. Click OK. So we're cool with that, and we say apply. Is it applying dimension to X and Y? You say OK. Now there are a few parameters here you can play with. For example, the intensity. You can hide the intensity. You can hide the bit radius. It's cool. If you notice, let's keep it round, or you can take square. I don't know. It's your taste here. Transfer mode add is nice. Let's play and see exactly how it is. Well, that seems cool enough. Let's move on. Let's go back to the layer panel, and from here we want to add another track. So I can click on track motion. I will get a new track point. Notice it came where the previous one was. If I click and drag, here you are. Now you might ask yourself, is this the track point 1? Actually, we are in tracker 2, so there is no way it is the same track. We were in tracker 1, that is tracker 2. You notice the difference. Good. Let's do the same here. Let's zoom in and make it a bit bigger. We take the search region and make it bigger, just like this. Okay, that will do. And the region of interest, here you are. I'm trying to grab it and make it bigger. Okay, let's take them down. Let's make the search region a bit bigger. I think this will do. Yeah, I think so at least. Let's now start tracking. I click on Analyze Forward and see what's happening here. Well, until now, it seems it's doing well. I think it has done a very good job. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. And from here, let's edit the target. First, we need to take the skull and put it inside our composition. Notice it's very big, so I'm gonna make it smaller, just like this. Put it inside the bulbs. That looks cool, by the way. Come back to the layer panel and select our layer. Just select it from here and make sure you are in tracker 2, not in tracker 1. Okay, and I go edit target, and here we want the layer, and we have only skull for now, and we click OK, and then of course you apply. X and Y, yes. Okay, let's play it and see exactly. It's doing very well. Fine, let's start with the text. In the composition panel here, I'll click on text, come over here and write warning. Now I will go back to the layer panel. I will add another tracker, track motion. And you have tracker 3. You notice what's happening. And you have a new track point. You can see the tracker 3 over here. Okay, I will try to click on it. It's too small. Zoom in. Just bring it just over here. Okay. And then we make the search region a bit bigger. In fact, here I'm going to show you how I work. I will take the feature region and make it bigger. Here you are. And you notice now the other one is glowing with it. So this is pretty practical because now you can adjust both of them without having to use the search region. But nevertheless, I'm going to adjust it to make it bigger. I think from here also I need a bit more. Cool. I will zoom out. And of course, you start analyzing from the beginning of the composition. Okay, there is no jumping until now. Everything is cool. It's not very good. You could do a better job by adjusting the track point. It has completed the job, and I think it has done a very good job also. Then we come to edit target. So we click on it and select warning. That's the text layer. Click OK. And of course, you go to apply. XY, yes, I want XY. Now you notice the text is coming on the very bright area. I need to take it down a bit. The way I will do it is to select the text layer, press A for the anchor point and change the anchor point position. Here you are. I'm just going to put it over here. Fine. We click out. We play. Great, guys. You have completed your challenge and your practice activity. It was pretty nice, by the way. Of course, this is what I have done, but I'm sure that if you are more meticulous and you're not giving a lecture, you can do even better than me. So please, if you haven't completed this project or this challenge, go to After Effects, open the project file and try to complete it and do your best. And add maybe different images, different text and different effect. Do it the way you would like. It's very important that you train. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. I hope you enjoyed the challenge, and I will see you in the next lecture.